Hello and welcome to Recipe Cinema, where you will find a unique video collection of all my favorite recipes. In this video, I will be making an absolutely delicious honey mustard chicken with a creamy mushroom sauce. For this recipe, I am using the following ingredients. For a complete listing, just follow along and then check out the description below. To start off, I am using about 3 pounds of boneless chicken breasts. I'm cutting them into smaller pieces. This allows for more surface space, which means more crispy breadcrumbs, which equals more deliciousness. And next, I'm using the flat side of a meat mallet to flatten out the pieces of chicken. Not only will this help tenderize the chicken, but it will also help it cook more evenly. In a small bowl, add together a couple of eggs and about a half cup of honey Dijon mustard. You can use more or less depending on how much chicken you're going to cook, but this ratio works well with about 3 pounds worth of chicken. And then all you're going to do is just dump the chicken in and thoroughly coat all of the pieces of chicken. For the breadcrumb mixture, mix together 2 cups of Italian Panko Bread Crumbs, a half cup of flour, a quarter cup of shredded Parmesan cheese, and then add salt and pepper to taste. For this next step, thoroughly coat the honey mustard soaked chicken into the breadcrumb mixture. Then line each piece along the bottom of a very well oiled baking dish. To get started with the sauce, throw together in a large pan 1 clove of garlic chopped, a half of an onion chopped, a half teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of parsley, a tablespoon of ground mustard, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 3 tablespoons of butter. Cook this down on medium heat until all of your onions are very well caramelized. Next, add in about a cup of chopped mushrooms and give that a couple of tosses. Then go ahead and add in the 2 tablespoons of flour and give that a couple of tosses as well before adding in your 2 cups of heavy cream. Next, go ahead and start adding in your cream. Add in a little bit at first and then stir it around before adding the remainder. This will help keep all of your flour from clumping up at one time. Once everything is mixed together well, cook this down for about 10 minutes. It'll be thick and bubbly when it's ready to go. The last step is to add in the 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, give it a couple quick stirs, and then your sauce is all ready. This chicken really is undeniably delicious, but don't take my word for it. Please give this recipe a try for yourself and then let me know how it turns out in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did enjoy this recipe, please click subscribe for more of my weekly videos.